Did they? Oh, it happened. It's 40 degrees.
Are you taking a video?
No. I'm just holding the camera in front of my face.
I thought you were taking a picture.
Ow, my eyes burn! Ah!
Oh my god.
My hair looks really bad because I didn't do anything to it.
Same part. Whoa, I'm gonna fall in the snow.
You can film yourself, you know. Don't drop.
Oh my god.
Keys. Tie it to your body. Tie it to your soul.
I like to live life on the edge.
No, I don't trust you.
Oh my god.
Please don't do it. Okay, this video is gonna be like crosh, crosh. I like
turtles.
Doggy, where do you live? If only I had the technology to do slow-mo in my videos. Let's pretend we didn't see that.
I like turtles. When? Stop trying to hold my hand. I'm gonna have sex with you.
No, I don't want to buy your weed. I need adults. I need adults. Ow! Ow! She's hitting me.
I think we've already said that.
Girl.
Shoot.
Love you. Oh, I can't run.
Never ever ever wanna let you go. Later.
Hold the camera straight. So hopefully I get a skateboard. And I could go to Maple every day.
So hopefully.
And just go skating everywhere.
Skating. Let's go swimming in the pool. In the pool. What he just flew away. I mean, I don't even know if I'm recording our faces at all.
Yeah, you suck at recording.
Because I don't want to hold it. It's your
Turtles in my pajamas. I like turtles in my pajamas.
bleeding snot.
Your nose is bleeding snot. Think he was looking at me. Look.
Oh! I'm gonna call my mama. Mama K.
Mama K. I mean,
I don't care. When I grow up, I'm gonna name my daughter Stacy. You know why?
you know what? Stacy's mom. She's gonna be a MILF.
Got it going on.
She's all I want, and I've waited for so long. I'm gonna have a caption pointing to your face that says MILF.
Shoot.
Call her and I'd be like, hi, Mama K.
Hi, Mama Kai.
I like squirrels.
I'm gonna ask her if I could dye my hair both colors.
I like squirrels. Be like, when Ericka bought her hair dye, it was only $3 because it was half off.
Gosh, she's like a pool.
I am walking in a river.
I'm walking.
Here is the river. I am walking in a river.
Oh my god.
What do we do?
Ready? Oh my god.
Walk on the bigger side. Are you really attempting this? Alright, I got you. Ah, my foot's gonna fall all the way through. My thigh. Ah!
I got water in my shoes. It's so cold. I'm not wearing socks. These are cold.
Oh, the snow is melting, yeah.
Ah!
Hi. Hi, Puppy. Hi, Puppy, Mom. Raise your kids, raise your kids, raise your goddamn kids. What if I want to walk? Won't you be my neighbor? Oh, my feet are so cold.
Shoot.
They be too wet. Ooh. Huh. I'm wearing this because it's cold.
I'm not cold anymore.
I didn't even wear boots all winter. This is my first, there's maybe third day whole winter wearing boots.
One, two.
Huh?
Let's go jump on the
It's like heaven. There's people looking at us in their cars.
My beautiful eyebrows.
Oh yeah. That's how I stay sexy. I look so unattractive right now too. It's easier. I don't know why we didn't walk in the street in the first place.
Well, because I don't like that. What if they did that and like a giant bird just landed in front of us and was like, "You called?" Like,
Wait, say that story again?
What if a giant bird? No, a giant bird just
Road.
A giant bird just like flew down and was like, "You called?"
You call.
Let's go. No, you know how like with the big birds, like you can hear their wings like. You called?
And like a giant freaking dragon comes out of the sky spitting fire and going flap,
Like that
flap.
picture I have of you. Should we show YouTube this picture?
And then he goes down and he's like, "Hey baby girl, I noticed you staring."
I know it's siren.
I'm staring too. And then I jump on his back and go in the sky, breathing fire on all my enemies, starting with Ronnie. What is this? Here's a clip.
Reminiscing on old times.
Oh boy, that peanut butter was... No, I'm kidding. I have no idea what I'm going to put in that little spot right there. So if you saw that, probably has nothing to do with peanut butter at all.
Maybe it does.
Hi! I'm a caw too. Bro! Stop! Turning signal! I'm not turning. What am I thinking? I ain't turning. I probably have like 10 videos where I'm like, you guys, I'm sick. But I always am sick. I have like, that's
So done with wishing.
I guess you're done
We're
with me
still
too.
here. Awkward. I've been known with you a long time.
Oh.
Shut up, wind.
That all over. What if I grabbed the largest stick, shoved it up my nose, and then just went.
I can't.
Just walked around the street with a big stick in my nose. Hey, we're right by
Awkward.
I'll call you back right now. Hey, Mom.
How you doing?
Calling my mom. Hi, did you call?
You right?
I didn't feel my phone vibrate because it's in my sweater. I am goofy, I know. Get cupcake liners? I don't have money for cupcake liners! Love you, Mama Kane.
Mama Kane.
So for this video, I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't use the intro. Ericka, Ericka, Ericka.
Why aren't you going to use it?
Ericka Kane! Oh, it's funny because I didn't tell you yet because the video's not made yet. Ooh, future speaking. I smell like wet dog. Anyway, because that intro is getting pretty annoying to me. And I know for a fact if you use real songs, then your videos can't be part mode. We're too evolved.
Remember our other video where I was in the shopping cart?
Oh.
I don't know if I got it.
This ain't no damn Waffle House.
This ain't no Waffle House.
This ain't no Waffle House. That was for Miguel.
Miguel.
Michelle. And Lily.
Lele. Ouch.
What about Ho?
My arm hurts.
I mean, Joe. Oh, Lady Gaga. Me and Ronnie are gonna have a chugging contest. And I'm gonna dye her hair, that's why I'm wearing a bag. Ready?
Wait.
many. I don't know if you guys noticed, these are really hard to drink out of. Mom, we're not done. We're not done.
I lost.
I'm gonna throw up the liquid. I won.